Milk, it's in our tea, a comforting addition that many of us can't imagine our mornings without. The way it swirls and blends, creating that perfect cup of warmth. It's in our coffee, giving it that creamy texture and rich flavor. And of course, it's in our cereal, making breakfast a wholesome start to the day. We drink it every day, whether it's a glass of cold milk to refresh us or a warm cup to soothe us before bed. Milk is a staple in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered where all that milk comes from? The journey of milk is fascinating and complex, starting long before it reaches our tables. It begins with millions of dairy cows, each one playing a crucial role in this vast network. These cows are carefully bred and nurtured to produce the highest quality milk. These farms are spread across the globe, from the lush pastures of New Zealand to the expansive dairy operations in the United States. Each farm has its own unique methods and traditions. These cows are the heart of a massive industry, an industry that not only sustains livelihoods but also feeds millions of people around the world. This industry produces billions of gallons of milk every year, a staggering amount that requires meticulous planning and coordination. This is the story of mega milk production, a tale of dedication, innovation, and hard work. From the moment the cows are milked to the final product on the shelves, every step is crucial. From vast fields where cows graze to high-tech factories where milk is processed and packaged, the journey of milk is a blend of tradition and technology. We'll follow the journey of milk from the farm to the factory and finally to our homes. Each stage is a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless individuals. We'll meet the people who work tirelessly to bring this everyday drink to our tables, farmers who rise before dawn, factory workers who ensure quality, and drivers who transport the milk. Get ready to explore the incredible world of mega milk production. It's a journey that highlights the importance of every drop and the effort behind it. Join us as we delve into this fascinating process. Our journey begins on the farm. Here, thousands of cows graze peacefully in open fields. These aren't ordinary cows. They are special breeds chosen for their ability to produce large quantities of milk. These cows are the engine of the milk production industry. The cows are treated well. They are fed a nutritious diet and given plenty of space to roam. Their health and well-being are crucial to the entire milk production process. Happy and healthy cows produce the best milk. Several times a day, the cows are brought in for milking. This is a carefully orchestrated process, designed to be as efficient and stress-free as possible. Modern farms use advanced milking machines that attach gently to the cow's udders. The machines milk the cows quickly and hygienically. The milk is then piped directly to large refrigerated tanks where it is kept cold and fresh. From here, the milk begins its journey off the farm. Large tanker trucks arrive at the farms where the cows have been milked and the fresh milk is ready for collection. These farms are often family-owned, with generations of experience in dairy farming. Workers connect hoses to the tanker trucks, and the milk is pumped in. This process ensures that the milk is collected efficiently and hygienically, maintaining its quality from the very start. These trucks are like giant refrigerators on wheels, equipped with advanced refrigeration units. They keep the milk cold and safe during transport, preserving its freshness and preventing spoilage. The milk begins its journey from the picturesque countryside where it was produced to the bustling city. The tanker trucks navigate through winding country roads and highways, ensuring the milk reaches its destination promptly. At the milk processing factories, the raw milk undergoes various processes. These factories are like giant kitchens equipped with state-of-the-art machinery. Here, the milk is pasteurized, homogenized, and sometimes fortified with vitamins and minerals. The milk tanker trucks enter the factory premises and begin unloading. This marks the final stage of the milk's journey from farm to factory. The milk is then stored in large silos ready to be processed into the familiar product we find on our supermarket shelves. Inside the factory, workers test the milk for quality and safety. Once it passes these tests, the milk is bottled, packaged, and prepared for distribution. This ensures that the milk we consume is not only fresh, but also safe and nutritious. The bottled milk moves along conveyor belts, ready to be loaded onto delivery trucks. These trucks will transport the milk to supermarkets, grocery stores and other retail outlets, completing the journey from farm to factory to consumer. Finally, the milk arrives at the supermarket shelves, where it is available for families to purchase. This entire process from farm to factory to store ensures that we have access to fresh, high-quality milk every day. And so, the journey of milk from farm to factory ends with happy families enjoying this nutritious beverage in their homes. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in the milk production chain. Section 5. Inside the milk factory. Inside the factory, the real magic happens. The milk is first tested for quality and purity. It then undergoes a process called pasteurization, where it is heated to a high temperature to kill any harmful bacteria. After pasteurization, the milk is ready to be packaged. Some of it goes into cartons, some into bottles, and some into large containers for bulk transport. The packaging is designed to keep the milk fresh and protected. Section 6. Milk on the move. The packaged milk is now ready for its final journey to supermarkets, stores, and homes all over the country. A fleet of delivery trucks fans out, carrying the milk to its destination. The logistics of milk distribution are incredibly complex. Every day, millions of gallons of milk are moved from factories to consumers. It's a testament to the efficiency of the milk production and distribution network. Section 7. Milk around the world. But the journey doesn't end there. Milk is a global commodity. Countries with large milk production capabilities export their surplus milk to other parts of the world. This is where mega milk production really comes into play. Massive cargo ships carrying thousands of tons of milk set sail across the oceans. They are headed for countries with high demand for milk but limited production capacity. Section 8. Liquid gold. The global trade in milk is a multi-billion-dollar industry. For countries that export milk, it's a major source of income. This liquid gold supports economies and provides livelihoods for millions of people, from farmers to factory workers to truck drivers to sailors. The milk production industry employs people across a wide range of professions. It's a testament to the global reach of this vital industry. Section 9. The future of milk. As the world's population grows, so too will the demand for milk. Mega milk production will continue to evolve, finding new ways to produce and distribute milk more efficiently and sustainably. New technologies are constantly emerging. From robotic milking systems to sustainable packaging solutions, the future of milk production is full of exciting possibilities. The goal is to ensure that everyone has access to this nutritious and essential drink. Section 10. Conclusion. White gold. Milk, often referred to as white gold, is a staple in many households around the world. Its journey from the farm to our tables is nothing short of remarkable. From the green pastures of dairy farms, where cows graze peacefully, to the hands of dedicated farmers who ensure their well-being, the story of milk begins. These farmers wake up at the crack of dawn, tending to their herds, ensuring they are healthy and well-fed. The bond between a farmer and their cows is built on trust and care, a relationship that has been nurtured over generations. As the milk is collected, it is transported to processing facilities where it undergoes rigorous quality checks. From there, it makes its way to the bustling aisles of supermarkets, where it is neatly packaged and displayed for consumers. The journey of milk is a fascinating one, involving numerous steps and countless individuals who work tirelessly to bring this essential product to our tables. It's a journey that highlights the ingenuity of humans and the importance of a globalized world. The technology and logistics involved in milk production and distribution are a testament to human innovation. From automated milking machines to advanced refrigeration systems, every step is designed to ensure the highest quality and safety of the milk we consume. The global trade of dairy products connects farmers and consumers from different corners of the world, creating a network of shared resources and knowledge. We often take milk for granted, not realizing the effort and dedication that goes into every drop. It's a product that has been a part of human civilization for thousands of years, providing essential nutrients and sustenance. Whether it's a glass of milk with breakfast, a splash in our coffee, or an ingredient in our favorite recipes, milk plays a vital role in our daily lives. But the next time you raise a glass of milk to your lips, remember the incredible journey it has taken to get there. Think about the farmers who wake up early every day, the workers in processing plants who ensure its quality, and the logistics teams who make sure it reaches your local store. Each glass of milk is a culmination of hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing a nutritious product. It's a journey that starts with a single cow and ends with you. From the moment a cow is milked to the time it reaches your refrigerator, every step is meticulously planned and executed. The story of milk is one of tradition, innovation, and a deep connection between humans and animals. It's the story of white gold, a story that reminds us of the value of hard work, the importance of quality, and the interconnectedness of our world. So the next time you enjoy a glass of milk, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken and the many hands that have contributed to bringing it to you.